$63? Holy shit, that is crazy. The solar boost at 50 bucks. Full length boots for 50 boots goes for 50 bucks. Your boots goes for 50 bucks. These are size 12. Buck 30. Buck 30, you get that 50% off. 65, not bad. Got more for 65, all right. Oh, they got them night joggers, 50 bucks, man. All right, we're back for another one, you guys. Back for another one at the Citadel outlets near downtown LA. Let's go see what's up with this Adidas outlets. Hope it's better than the one last week. Guess they take an additional 50% off a lot of stuff. Let's see, man. Let's go look for them boosts. All right, they do have boost, a lot of boost, ultra boost. But look, looks like most of the ultra boosts are excluded from the Storewide promotion, 50% off. So all their boost, all their Adidas, sorry. So all their ultra boosts go for retail, 180. Damn. They do got a bunch of colorways though. Just all 180. Ultra boost 19s. All going for retail. More retail game right here. More retail game. 180 for everything. All right, let's go straight to the clearance section. Okay. 80 bucks. Some marathons. What size are these? What the size on this? Yeah. 7.5 marathons. 80 bucks, 50% off. Got a couple of pair of Ultra Boosts. I don't know if those are 50% off. I don't know. That's weird. Colorway's not bad. That one's not bad. That one not terrible. I kind of like the white one a little better than this one's like a creamish color. Not terrible. Like some of the night joggers. No price tag, night joggers. These hit for no price tag and no. I don't know what's called. We'll find out the size, I guess. Size 7s, but no price tag. Weird. More night joggers, no price tag. It's all white Ultra Boost. I don't even know what the price is, so I don't even know I'm checking. I don't even know I'm checking the size. I'm just curious. There's 9s. I don't even know why. Don't even know the price on those. Got some Alpha Boost. 129. I'm assuming they're 50% off. I have no clue. The clearance section, I can't imagine them not having 50% off in the clearance. I don't know, I'm gonna have to ask somebody. Got the Pure Boost Goes. One of my favorite shoes. And then 180, these are huge. 180 for this, what is it, the USA colorway? Yeah, red, white, and blue. That's dope. So 180, hopefully you get that 30% off. Or 50% off, size 13s. Hopefully you get that 50% off. That'd be dope. 9.5 for these Alpha Boost. Colorway's not bad. It's not bad. It's not focusing. Yeah, it's not bad, you guys. Yeah. We got some of the bigger sizes. Some NMDs going for 130. Size 11 and a half. Got some Ultra Boost right here. 126. Okay. Right, maybe that's the prices for those other ones. Got some more night joggers. Those look small. Some PODs. 90 bucks. PODs. I'm assuming these are all 50. Like I said, I'm gonna ask somebody. 90 bucks. 90 bucks for size 12 and a half. Or size 13, my bad. Size 13 marathons. Oh, so everything in the clearance section is. So everything in the clearance section is 50% off. So yeah, so earlier I found a pair of Ultra Boosts. Look, yeah, so this is going for what, $63? Damn! Holy shit, that is crazy. What size is that? I think it's a size 12 or something. Size 13, man. Look, $63 for Ultra Boost. That's freaking insane. That's insane.
I'm just coming out.
Alright, this clearance section definitely made this trip worth it because, damn, too bad they don't have everything my size though. The Solar Boost at 50 bucks. Full length boots for 50 bucks. What size? Size what, 12s? Okay, alright. Alright. So these are $45 for those. I saw earlier the PODs right there. I saw those earlier. Yeah. This is what, 90 bucks? 90 bucks. Size 13s, 90 bucks for some solar drive. Get that 50% off, $45 there. And Pure Boost Ghost for 50 bucks. Pure Boost Ghost for 50 bucks. These are size 12. Damn, they got deals now. Alright, they got the boxes now. Look at this. Alpha Boost, 130. Full length boost. Of course, the boost doesn't, that's kind of a lie because the sole doesn't, it's not all the way up there. So it's like right here, but right here. But you still get a good amount of boost. $130, you get that 50% off. 65, not bad. Got more for 65. These are the Adidas Aeros. Only really good for running. They're not that nice looking. The size 13s, get those for 70 bucks. Oh, they got them night joggers, 50 bucks, man. 50 bucks, $100, 50% off. Oh, that's the same colorway. Got them NMDs right there. Got the NMDs, going for 130, 50% off. So these are not included. But these are? What the fuck? I think that's off. Oh yeah, that's not a soccer shoe, so I think that's off. But yeah, these go for 130. Night joggers, 130. Plenty of sizes too. From 9 to 12. Yeah, not bad. More night joggers. Damn, 100 bucks. That's crazy. 100 bucks, $50 after that discount. Got some more full-length Zooms called the Rivalry lows. I've never seen these. Old school upper. Got the new school boost. Not really that new, but newer compared to all of other Adidas stuff. They got everyone from size 7.5 to 12. 65 after discount. Same thing. 65 after discount. So are they copying the Jordan hype for the snakeskins? Interesting. This looks exactly like the Jordan 11 snakeskin. Yeah, 50% off, 55 bucks. Normally 110, 55 bucks, not bad. 60 bucks after sale. Got that Samba with the boost on it. Old school meets new school. Those are probably hella comfy. Nice. That's nice. Holy crap, I can't believe these are 60 bucks. Oh, I thought these were the Stan Smith, man. Look. Tell me these don't look like the Stan Smith, man. They got me. Called the Advantage. Oh, still not bad. 30 bucks. 30 bucks. That's real good for budget. Right there, bam. I almost left the store neglecting the women's section. My bad. My bad, ladies and people, guys who like shopping for them. So the Ultra Boost, kind of the same thing. Not on sale. But we do need to hit up this clearance section because 50% off everything, man. That's insane. 129, 50% off. Ultra Boost, oh man, these Ultra Boosts for women too. 126. Got that 50% off. So these going for $63, man. That is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Cheapest I think I've ever seen Ultra Boost. 63 bucks. Yeah, that is crazy. 90 bucks for these. Is it solar? Oh, the Boston Adidas. Is it Boston? I don't know. Yeah, Boston Adidas. 45 bucks. What are these size? Size 11 women's? Damn, 45 bucks. Full length boots. These don't got a price on it. I bet they're 180 though. I bet they're 180. Size 11. Why? Because these are 180 as well. Almost the same thing. You get 50% off for 90 bucks. Still legit. 90 bucks. Pure boost goes, man. My favorite type of shoes. These, man, the stack of boots is just so high. And they're actually higher than the regular pure boost because the rubber part is actually thinner and this part's actually a little bit fatter. But yeah, I got both and I've actually sat there and compared them. That's how nerdy I am. But yeah, 90 bucks, so 45 bucks. 45 bucks, man. Man, I need to review the guys area before I leave because I gotta find something in the clearance, man. These NMDs, full box, size, they only got size 10.5, 11. 130, 50% off. They got these laceless ones, 180, 50% off. Got some more. Oh, this looks soft too. This looks good. Soft as hell, man. With these, yeah, they got anywhere from what, 8.5 to 10s. Going for 99, 100 bucks, or 50 bucks after the 50 bucks after the discount, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. Night joggers, 130, 50% off. Got the Continentals going for 80. 50% off. This is what, 55, so at 27.50. Interesting sweatshirt. That's just sweatshirt. They've got all kinds of regional interesting stuff because this is got a spider on the Adidas side. I've never seen that. It's interesting. 90 bucks, 50% off. Galaxy jerseys going for 20 bucks. Galaxy jerseys, man. Wow, that's crazy. All right, we're gonna call it a day here because, like I said in the last video, kind of on a time crunch. Damn, that was the best deals I've seen at the Adidas store in a long time, you guys. At the Adidas outlet, my bad. But yeah, man, those were some crazy deals. That clearance section was insane. I was so hoping they had the Ultra Boost 2019s on size 10. Man, I would have copped 10, 10.5, 9.5. Man, I would have copped. It would have worked out because $62, $63? That's just insane. That's insane. You're just never gonna find Ultra Boost for any cheaper than that. That's crazy. But yeah, if you like these type of videos, go ahead, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think, man. How insane was that deal? That some of them deals was just insane, man. There were so many boost shoes for under 50 bucks. That's just you can't beat that, you guys. So yeah, go ahead and make sure you check out all my other videos. Many of you guys know I have a whole lot of videos. I try to upload one a day. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.